Do prices really help boost PPC performance for Amazon FBA products? They do, but they are not helping with the Amazon PPC performance. Allow me to explain. When it comes down to Amazon PPC performance, you might believe that just because a product is cheap or you are dropping the price, it's going to give you a false positive that works PPC-wise. What we are seeing is that each product break-even ACoS. The break-even ACoS is going to be ones that you're going to take out all the cost of goods sold, so everything that is expense for the product, and then you're remaining with the net profit per unit for the product that we would allocate towards advertising. What we're noticing is that even if you're lowering the price of the product, and yes, that might be picking up more sales on the product level, if we had a 50% as our break-even ACoS, now our ACoS, it will become way lower just because our retail price also changed and it has been lowered. When it comes to efficiency, price discounts can help you with general overall sales. So sales increase, it can help with that. But when it comes down to PPC performance, I would not necessarily say it's going to help you on the metrics, because metrics are going to worsen rather than improve. So that's what we are seeing on our end. If you have a different experience or insight, feel free to add it here in the chat. While it can be a very helpful strategy to rank you organically, what can happen if you are not anymore relevant for the specific keyword? If I am your ideal customer and I purchased your product, I was just looking up some candles a few minutes ago, and I was, okay, those are really nice candles. And then I one more listing that was a limited price offer. It was 20% cheaper than the first one. Design was very similar to the first one. I would have normally bought the second one. But when it comes down to would I have actually, with the same keyword that I was looking for, found your product if you didn't had the price discount? Might be that it's not the case. So that's why I'm saying that you should take that with a grain of salt rather than ensure that is going to help you with PPC performance.